Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. You can make James Dean jealous with this chopped 50 Merc. It's really one of the nicest I've seen. It's been body off the frame restored. The underneath is as pretty as the top. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can see photos top to bottom of this car, the full description, and the price. And not only on this car, but there's a few hundred collector cars on there, all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you click on the bell icon, you'll be notified first as the videos come out. Right now, let's go for a spin in this lead sled. It is outstanding. The body work that's been done, you don't fully appreciate all of it unless you were there doing it yourself. But obviously, it's got a chopped top. They've shaved the handles so they open by remote, same as on the trunk. I don't know what this molding is off of. A wild guess, something tells me it's like a Packard molding. Got some really cool custom Fender Skirts here. The lake pipes, all tinted glass, and the quality is phenomenal. Got three little touch-ups right there, but the finish is beautiful. It's polished out like glass. Has some really nice hand pinstripe. The bumper's beautiful. Taillights are custom. It's all tinted glass. All the stainless trim is polished out real nice. They did a super nice job. I don't see any signs of body work showing. I don't see cracking or issues with the body. Look how square it all fits. It's an older job. This car was done in the 90s, and it's held up really well. If you want to inspect it, there's some little freckles in the paint right here. I mean, you'd have to inspect it to find things wrong with it. Look how nice this fits. A lot of times this is all scratched up and touched up from it rubbing. Not on this car. It's got spotlights. Even the glass is tinted. It's V-butted in the middle where the glass comes together. That's what they call that. Look how the hood is nice and rounded, and all the trim has been removed. Custom grille, beautiful bumper. So the body's outstanding. Whoever did this did an excellent job. It's stood the test of time and proven itself. Look at that door, is nice and square. I'm looking at the reflection. It's like looking at a red mirror. So beautiful, beautiful car. Let me open her up, tell you more about it. There's a handle inside, there's a button underneath. For the passenger door, there's a button under the dash here. It's got a bright white interior that pops. I'll get back to that in a second. Yeah, see the white interior, it's all nicely upholstered, got power windows, got seat belts in the front. The back seat looks like a big, just a comfy big old back seat. Dash is beautiful. It's got like a 59 Impala steering wheel on a tilt column. Nice set of gauges. Stereo. It's got nice custom knobs. Nice red carpet with floor mats here with sewn edges. Stainless sill plate. And I did mention that it is a body off frame restoration. A lot of these chopped Mercs, they're so low to the ground, they honestly don't care about the underneath. I've had them where they look like $1 million on top. You get underneath and it's patched up. This is really clean metal. The bottom of the car is painted red just like this. The whole chassis is black. It's got a GM front clip onto the original frame, so it's got independent suspension with disc brakes. Sorry, drum brakes. But it is a newer front end, but it's got drum brakes all around. Brakes have been all inspected. They work fantastic. There we go. There's a release right underneath here to pop the trunk. I've already popped it. I cheated. It is upholstered and carpeted just like the interior. Even under the trunk lid is done. It's got a spare Nice soft carpet with sewn edges. Getting back to underneath, you'll see the pictures on our website, but it's beautiful, and it's got a turbo 350 automatic. It's a 10-bolt rear end, 275 gears, so it's a cruiser. This is one that just goes down the highway. It's not going to win a drag race, but it's a cruiser. We open the hood next. It's got the big white wall tires. Those are called Sombrero Hubcaps. It's got all the right stuff that you would do to a chopped 50 Merc lead sled. Beautiful. The quality under here is phenomenal. It's painted red. It's got the same type of pinstriping. That's a 400 Chevy small block motor. Has a polished aluminum intake. Some nice vintage style finned aluminum valve covers are painted red between the fins. Like an old Cadillac style air cleaner. It's all pinstriped up. Air conditioning. Power steering. Chrome alternator. Just very clean, tidy. MSD ignition. Stock exhaust manifolds. It's got a nice radiator and shroud and polished overflow. Stainless steel upper radiator hose. So just a high quality, beautiful chopped Merc. The fuel has been relocated inside the trunk, so there's no fuel door. That's part of cleaning it up. Now, let me start this car. Even overhead, the headliner is pleated white vinyl. The visors are custom made. The door magically closes. I was just getting out to close the door. I mentally thought it and it closed. It's got glass pack style mufflers, so it's got just the right sound. Motor doesn't make a sound. That's as quiet as a mouse in slippers. It's got an auxiliary electric fan in front in addition to the fan that's mounted on the motor. So there you have it. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact our staff. They'd be happy to answer any questions or concerns you might have. If you need more pictures, whatever it is, we can help. We can help with the shipping, and we can help with the financing as well. So visit volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon so you can see these videos as they come out. Thanks for watching.